DJM TV.
The Naija Labour Congress don do protest for the whole of Naija. Sabi and correct country pipo, how una dey since? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening sake of the correct time when e be now when una take dey look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day informative yarns on top our correct TV station wey be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una country brother, na me wan yarn una the informate wey shele on top this time. Country pipo, una remember say for our day-to-day informate story when concern Naija Labour Congress sake of say the plan wey dem get to take do their protest for inside all the states and the federal capital territory wey be Abuja. We yarn una say we go give una the tori update of how the protest go for every of the state for inside Naija. Na the informate na we bring now to yarn una how the protest come take shele. Yes, our first update dey come from inside Ogun State when dey inside south of Naija. For there, the Naija Labour Congress do the protest for the Ogun State House of Assembly when dey Okemusan for Abeokuta. For inside there, the Ogun State Naija Labour Congress protest wey be say na Comrade Emmanuel Bankole be the leader, yarn say the Naija smallest Alawi Pogri for workers na the right of Naija work people. For Bankole, the Naija smallest Alawi Pogri na im dey protection the workers wey no get skill, work people wey no dey part of Naija Labour Congress, and e come yarn President Muhammadu Buhari make e leave am for inside the exclusive list. Bankole come yarn say if dem comot the Naija smallest Alawi Pogri from the exclusive list, e go come bring poverty for all the work people when e dey for inside Naija sake of say dem no go come dey equal again, and that one go come be serious gbege for Naija work people body. E come yarn join say the protest na the first stage for inside the gbege to take survive and protection the plenty Naija work people for inside Naija. For im side, the speaker for the Ogun State House of Assembly when e be say na im receive dem, and when e be say im name na be Honourable Olakunle Oluomo, come give the Ogun State Naija Labour Congress protest people hope as e come yarn dem say wetin dem dey ask for so the Ogun State Assembly members go do am anytime when e be say dem get am as the be when dem want make dem talk about come their place for debate. The speaker come still yarn say every when the work people for the state ask for so, him and the members of the state assembly go carry am give the Ogun State governor when im name be Governor Dapo Abiodun. For inside Lagos State, the Naija Labour Congress and their brother wey be Trade Union Congress TUC today block all the road when dem dey take enter government offices sake of their protest when dem do to take block the Naija National Assembly make dem for no fit carry the smallest Alawi Pogri comot from the exclusive list go put for inside the concurrent list. According to our tori man when tanda for there as the protest dey shele, im yarn say the Naija Labour Congress protest people even block the governor of Lagos State when im name be Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu as im be dey go im office for the day to go do government work for inside government house. Our tori man yarn join say the demonstrate come cause big traffic for inside Ogba Road, Agidigbi Road, Allen Junction, and even Alausa when e be say e lead to the secretariat of the Lagos State different ministries sake of say dem near the place where the protest for the shele. For inside the federal capital territory when e be Abuja, our tori man wey dey there yarn say the Naija Labour Congress protest people first land for the gate of the National Assembly where dem come dey yarn say make the National Assembly members no put their plan against the work people smallest Alawi Pogri for reverse. For Oyo State, the Naija Labour people when protest there yarn say any plan to take comot the smallest Alawi Pogri for work people from the exclusive list na im be say na plan to make Naija work people become slave. The work pipo wey do their own protest for Ibadan wey be the capital of Oyo State come yarn say make the Oyo State House of Assembly pipo make dem no put hand for the bill when e be say e wan remove the smallest Naija Alawi Kpogri comot from the exclusive list go put for inside the concurrent list. Dem come yarn say if dem do am, na be say dem put hand to take make Naija work pipo to become slave for inside their country and slave for inside their workplace forever. For im side, the Oyo State Trade Union Congress chairman wey im name be Comrade Emmanuel Ogudiran come give warning to the Oyo State Assembly make dem not join scandalize Naija economy sake of say e go make plenty Naija pipo no come get work again. Still for inside Oyo State, the Oyo State Assembly Deputy Speaker when e be say im name be Honourable Mohammed Fadeyi na im receive the protest pipo as im come hail the work protesters for the way dem take arrange and plan their own sake of say e come dey very peaceful. E come yarn say the bill must not pass through the State House of Assembly before e go come be law, so therefore the bill no go get head even if dem get plenty push for the bill to take get head for inside Naija. Still for inside Abuja, our tori man when e be say na im follow the presido of the Naija Labour Congress when im name be Ayuba Waba sake of say na im lead the work protesters go for House of Representatives yarn say dem go stop work and sit down for their house if the National Assembly touch any part for inside the bill when e be say Honourable Dati Gaba bring come give dem. Im come yarn join say the pipo wey dey push the bill na dem dey cause the serious gbege when e be say e dey shele for inside Naija now with work pipo. Im come yarn join say all the governors for the 36 states for inside Naija dey collect their alawi when e be say month end. Why dem no go come try now to come make sure say the common Naija worker go come get im own alawi when month end? He say that one na be the big gbege when e dey for ground so, and sake of say the government dem come dey try to make sure say dem remove that power to take decide where who go dey discuss and talk with labour pipo when e concern the smallest Alawi Kpogri comot from the exclusive list when e be say na the federal government na go dey handle am to come put for inside the concurrent list when e be say na the state government go come dey talk with the labour pipo on how much e go be. As im dey receive the Naija Labour Congress protesters, the House Majority Leader when im name be Honourable Hassan Ado when talk for the speaker sake of say e no dey around come yarn say the work pipo when dey do protest say the house don take notice for wetin the labour pipo dey fear for, and so dem know wetin dem go do when e be say the time reach. For inside Rivers State, the labour protest start for the Naija Labour Congress Secretariat when dey for D-line and dem come march go the Rivers State House of Assembly when dey for Moscow Road for inside Port Harcourt. For there, the chairman of the Naija Labour Congress for inside the state when im name be Comrade Beatrice Itubo when lead the protest for inside the state come beg the Rivers State Assembly members make dem no support the bill if e reach dem sake of say e go draw Naija go back to the time when e be say dem dey get alawi when dey come late. Na the clerk for the Rivers State House of Assembly when im name be Mr. Stanford Oba na im receive the letter from the work pipo as dem protest go there. For inside Kogi State, the Naija Labour Congress yarn say dem give the state government 12 days make dem take continue the talk table meeting when e be say dem and the government be dey do inside the state or dem go sit down for their own house and dem no go work again. Dis na wetin the state Naija Labour Congress chairman when im name be Olu Edoka yarn as im lead the protest for inside the state. As dem reach the State House of Assembly, e come yarn say the National Assembly dey plan to make Naija workers remain for inside poverty. Dis one na wetin dey inside the letter when e be say im give to the Speaker of the House when im name be Honourable Matthew Kolawole. For inside Ondo State, the Speaker when im name be Honourable Bamidele Oleyelogbe come yarn the workers for the state say the bill when the workers dey protest for no go get head. Dis one na after e get the protest letter from the Naija Labour Congress chairman for inside the state when im name be Comrade Sunday Adeleye Oluwole. For inside Ekiti State, work stop for the Ekiti State House of Assembly for about 2 hours sake of the protest when the Naija Labour Congress do for inside the state. As the workers reach the Ekiti State House of Assembly, they come carry plenty paper come out, and these papers come carry informate like comot national smallest workers alawi gbogri comot for exclusive list na crime, national worker smallest alawi na our right, no scandalize work people. Yarn say no for smallest alawi when they go comot. Na the smallest alawi for work people na im we stand for. The chairman for the Naija Labour Congress for inside Ekiti State when im name be Comrade Shola Adigun and im trade union congress brother Comrade Kolapo Olatunde yarn say the protest na national one to take show say the work people for inside Naija no dey happy say the National Assembly agree collect the bill when yarn say make dem remove the national smallest alawi for work people comot for the exclusive list and come go put am for inside the concurrent list. For all the other states when e dey for inside Naija like Osun, Plateau, Edo, Kaduna, Anambra, Delta, Abia and the others, our tori pipo when e tanda for those states yarn say protest go as the national presido of the Naija Labour Congress give the order. And one thing when all of them yarn for the protest when dem do be say Naija work people no be slave. Dem no want make dem remove the smallest alawi gbogri comot from the exclusive list go put for inside the concurrent list. Country people, na here our tori for break leg for inside this time. We wan thank una for all the time when e be say una take dey look us since on top the tori when we bring come give una today. We wan beg una make una like, share and make una still comment for inside the comment box concerning this matter when e dey for ground, so when be the Naija Labour Congress gbege with federal government and even state governors gbege wey go concern their smallest alawi gbogri when e dey for ground now. We wan still beg una say make una subscribe for our channel wey be DJM TV if una never still subscribe all this time when e be say una take dey look us on top our station. And once you subscribe, make you no forget to knack your hand for the notification bell so that anytime we knack ogbonge tori as e dey hot as e dey shele, you go always dey get the alert say tori wey dey shele don land your side. We wan still tell una when dey do business for inside Naija say abeg o, we dey do advert for inside our TV station. If you get anything wey you dey sell or you get service wey you dey do, make you call us, make we come help you yarn that informate concerning that business give country people, sake of say we get many people when e be say dey always watch us, so that dem too go come know say you get wetin dem want, and so they go come dey do business with you, and that your business go come dey go siriri werere, then you too go come dey make big better gbogri from that your business. We wan thank una for all the time when e be say una don take look us since. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way with better ogbonge tori wey go don shele. My name remain Stanley Okocha, una country brother for inside DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.